Hi Brianna and Akilah. I thought I'd make this quick video for you since we keep missing each other. So this is your Blackboard page, and I'm just going to take you on a quick tour. Okay, so let me scroll down a little bit. Over on the left, I'm not sure it's showing up in this video. Let me see, can I move? Okay, so over on the left, you can see there's all the links for the class. You're always going to go to the lessons folder. Almost everything is in the lessons folder. So if you go to the lessons folder, okay, for every week, we're going to have a folder. So week 2 has its own folder. If we scroll down here, week 1 has its own folder. Each week, everything that you need is going to be in that folder. So some of the things are linked right on top, right? There's a link to this reading, there's a link to these videos, but you really should go in the folder. So you go over here, right, where it says click here to enter the folder. Okay? And then this is the same list. It has all the links there. It just tells you what to do each week. So there's the readings, there's the videos, and then there's the activities. And the activities tell you day by day what you should be doing. And I did it day by day because there is a lot of work. This class, if we were meeting face to face, we would be in class for 8 hours a week. So you should be expecting to spend at least 8 hours, if not more, like 10, sometimes 12 hours a week on this class. So you can tell that's more than an hour a day. So make sure you're thinking about your time. So here's all the activities, okay? And then separately below are the graded activities, just so you can make sure that you keep up with with the graded stuff. I won't say it's always most important, but with the graded stuff. So if you scroll down, everything that's in this folder is then below. Right? And it's in the order that you should do it in. So first thing is what you should read to prep for class this week. This just gives you some things to think about before coming to class. Okay, and I will go back to the links for the online class in just a minute. So you should read this through, take some notes, be thinking about that. Okay, the next thing is a Word document for the System of Privilege reading. I put it in there as a Word document to make it easier for you to annotate. To download that document, you click right here where it says Annotating Johnson's System of Privilege .doc. That .docx, that means it's a Word file. So you click there, and you're not going to be able to see this. It's going to be a little bit off the screen, but if you click there, the file downloads. Let me see if I can come over here and show it to you. The file downloads at the bottom left part of your screen. Okay, so then you click there, and the file will open up. Okay, I'm getting a message saying there's an error. I will double check that, but I think that is just because of my own computer. Okay, so that gives you the Word document. You can then use the tools in Word to underline it, to make comments, stuff like that. If you have questions about how to do that, let me know. Okay, then there's the discussion board for this week. Every week you're going to have at least one, probably more often 2, sometimes 3 different discussion boards. So to post to the discussion board, you click right here. And then to add your own comments, you click where it says Create Thread. Okay, and then you put in the subject and type what you want to say right in this little box and click Submit. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. You also need to be commenting on other people's stuff, what they say. So to do that, to read other people's stuff, you come here, you click on their name, and then to reply, you click on reply, and then you can put your answer in. So you click reply, and then you get a little box, you type right in the little box, and you click submit. So that's how the discussion boards work. And as I said, each week you're going to have at least one, probably more often, like 2 or sometimes 3 of those. If we keep going through the folder, okay, you have the sample body paragraph, and that's just something for you to read, to look at, so you're thinking about how to structure a body paragraph for your System of Privilege reflection assignment. So this tells you what the parts of a paragraph are. There's lots and lots of different ways to do a paragraph. This is just a basic approach. It's pretty simple, but it's also really flexible. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So every paragraph should have an idea. That sometimes is called a topic sentence. That's what you want to say in your paragraph. It should have a quote that backs up that idea and is about that idea, and then a discussion of the quote and the idea together. And I color-coded it so you could see an example of how that would work. So here, this red part is how the idea in a paragraph can look. The green part is how the quote can look. And notice it says, in his essay, what is a system of privilege with quotes around it. Alan Johnson writes, and then there's the quote in quotes. That's how you should make a quote. And then the blue part is some discussion of that. Okay, and then if we keep going through the folder, there's the system of privilege reflection assignment. So this is called a Dropbox. Every time you submit an assignment in Blackboard, you use a Dropbox like this. You'll do it in my class, you'll do it in other classes. To download the assignment, you click right here where it says SOP reflection assignment, and it's going to do that thing again. I'm going to see if I can show you. It's going to do the thing again where it goes down to the bottom left part of your screen, and you click on it, and sorry, Word is still having problems. I'll make sure that that works okay. Okay, and you should be able to open up a Word document. Okay, and then you would just, you can type right on that Word document, save it to your computer, and when you're going to turn it in, you come over here where it says SOP reflection assignment, click here to submit. You click there, okay, and it will give you an option. It shows you the assignment again. It gives you an option to browse your computer. You click on Browse My Computer. Don't use the right submission. Don't do that way, because a lot of times you write your whole thing and it vanishes. And it'll give you an opportunity to open a file. You choose whatever file you want to open. Okay, and then you say Submit, and that will upload your file to Blackboard. And then I can grade it, and I'll grade it right in Blackboard. And I think, I have never seen it from the student point of view, but I believe if you want to then see it, if you come over here to the left where it says My Grades, there's not going to be anything there because I don't have any grades because I'm not a student, but you would have different items in here, and you should be able to click on them to see how it was graded and to see my comments. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. If there's something particular that you have a question about, you can always just take a picture of your screen and send it to me, and I'll try to answer. But please let me know if that helps and any other questions that you have.